kids, it's Miss Jen, and today we're going to learn how to build spinners with the Kitoodle Pipe Builder kit. So what we're going to do is start with our 5-way fitting, and we're going to use this hole on the bottom to be the part where we spin it. Now all we do is simply connect the pieces around here. So I'm going to put the 4 pieces, and now put it on a flat surface, and you can go ahead and spin it. And now let's make the next one, which is using the 5-inch pipes. And you can go ahead and spin that one, and you can actually do both at the same time. So another spinner that you can do is one with the T, and you can go ahead and put 2 pieces here, and you could spin it. It's not as good as the 5-way, but then you can also add little legs here. So if you have your L-shaped fitting, put that on here, and then your other L-shaped fitting, you put it the opposite way, and then put on some little legs, and you could go ahead and spin that one too. Now let's try all 3 at the same time. Another type of spinner you can do is you can make the spinner for a game. So in this one I used the small 2.5-inch pipe, and I created a little pie and divided it into different sections. So you could get 10 points, 100 points, and make the 100 points really more skinny so that it's hard to get it. And then lose a turn, spin again. And so if you make one of these pie charts, then you could just tape it down so it doesn't move around. And be sure that one of the 4 sides has a different color, and make these 3 the same color. That way this is the pointer. So you put this in the center. Oh, I lost a turn. Let's try it again. $100 points. Here's another example of a spinner board you could put together. For each piece you land on, you do a different action, like sing the Baby Shark song or do 10 jumping jacks. This can be a lot of fun to do with friends. What kind of spinner can you build? Post a picture on Instagram and tag us at Kitoodle. Be sure to hit subscribe if you want to see more how-to videos. You can buy the pipe kit at kitoodleshop.com, and be sure to follow us on social media at Kitoodle. Kitoodle, igniting imaginations.